Friends, today we are going to discuss how to resolve Python CX Oracle library. When we connect it, the connectivity issue will pop up like DPA1047 cannot locate 64-bit Oracle client library. To resolve that, the first most step I would recommend, you can download 64-bit client download, and you can call that path as a library directory. Thereafter you can pass on the connectivity string and call the connect method to establish the connection. Okay, let's have a quick look how to do that. So I already downloaded the 64 client library. Let me get into Visual Studio, CX Oracle. Okay, this is the library, I have it. Then I'm just setting up the DSN information 192.68, I think. And 1521 is my port, XCPDBN is my service. So my DSN is ready. Then I'm just building the connection now. CX Oracle connect. User and my password, and DSN is equal to DSN, and close the string. Okay, now let me try to close the connection. So this is a simple connection, Oracle connectivity I'm just trying to establish. Let us try to run the script now. So sorry, I have to type, this is typo error. I supposed to give connect instead of that. Okay, do you see that the Oracle database error exception raised? So DPA107 cannot locate 64 Oracle bit client library. So to handle this exception, so what we need to do is we need to set Oracle instance client folder. Okay, so to do that, what I'm doing, CX Oracle, already I've downloaded my 64-bit client under this folder. Okay, so init Oracle client C Oracle let me grab it from there. So this is the folder. Okay, so this is the 64-bit client, Oracle instant client I have downloaded. So that path I'm setting as a lib directory. Okay, so here I have to mention lib_dir. Okay, so library directory. Once this property set initialize, okay, set path to Oracle instant client folder, then if you run it again, yeah, so you're able to connect it successfully. That's it. Okay, so this is so again I'm telling you, so if I try to DPA1047 exception, how to handle it with a 64-bit client download. So this is the link you can follow to download it. Okay, hope this video is really helpful. Please let me know for any questions. Thank you. Bye.